To my beloved Summer Island, thank you so much for the support and the trust that you've given me. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be here standing tonight. And to my organization, Miss Universe Philippines Summer, thank you so much for this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Summer Island.
Sir John
Kathleen
Diaz, thank you so much for bringing me here. Thank you so much for bringing Miss Universe to Summer Island and showing the universe that we're also capable of joining the national stage. And to everyone who joined us here tonight, thank you so much for your support, thank you so much for your effort and for your time. Damo, salamat. Hanakon inihigugma nga islahan Summer, damo nga salamat haniyo kulos na suporta. Maihan nga panahon, di kang hanakon una, nga pagpangarap, nga umakyat kita ang kahusay, nga apod kapas, tumuo na kaiyo, nga kaya ko. Ngayon kung warang tapod haiyo, kung warang tuod haniyo gingayakan, kung warang tapod haniyo sabdon, dirak hinangan hitin. Damo nga salamat kay diri ko ni kaya, mangusaan. Damo nga salamat kay damo kamo, nga angay pasalamatan, damo kamo nga rason kung kaya no aadyang kina. Thank you so much.